Well, it's finally that time. Got the trends all situated. Clutch, got the XTD lightweight flywheel combo, 6-puck. You feel like garbage.
6-puck unsprung, brah.
Yeah, bro. Race car, brah. We painted the engine bay. Oh, hang on. I need the ND filter.
There it is.
Okay.
Violence in movies and sex on TV.
Yes. Engine bay is all painted. There we go. All nice and white. Nice and clean. Yeah, we're gonna drop in the SR today.
Let's do it. Let's just do it. Bob the Builder, can we build it?
Are we dropping it in right now?
Yes, we can.
Should we do a final walk around, make sure everything's taut?
No, not really.
In and stuff?
I don't really care.
Me neither. It's not like it's gonna run after it's in, so. Yeah. The SR is going in. The time has come. Wish us luck.
We must pay homage to him.
I don't even know if you can see anything. Just because it's so cocked with the lighting. Oh, there it is, hey?
In like shin.
Right on. That wasn't that bad.
Not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad.
Not too bad. Let's watch this clip back and see if
Wow, wow, wee, wow. Months later, finally happens. It's amazing.
looks good in there, I think.
King of the castle, king of the castle.
I mean, if you can see the paint in person, it looks pretty bad on the engine bay, but on camera it probably looks mint.
It's pretty textured.
Don't like clear and minus a million degrees, brah. Comment below if you think this thing will ever run. We don't have high hope.
I give it 17% chance of ever running. Joel has skills.
Yeah, Joel knows the SRs.
Legend has it Joel was born with an SR in his hand.
Yes.
Legend has it Joel was birthed from an SR. SRs are like octopus, they die when they have offspring.
Yeah.
So an SR blew up and Joel came out of it. Valve covers, you got multiple?
The valve cover, brah.
You know 4AG.
I can't wait to run a moist glaze oil cap, dude.
Dude, same dude.
Coming soon.
Coming soon on DVD.
We're also doing a giveaway on our Instagram, so if you haven't entered that, go enter.
Yeah, big giveaway.
If this video goes up, it'll go up this week, so you have until Saturday to enter.
Yeah.
We're doing a big care package giveaway.
Go on Moist Boys _ on Instagram. Also the guy who has the Moist Boys account name, off.
Yeah. We gotta have the stupid underscore, man.
So bummed.
Right.
How do you feel?
Pretty good. Looks good. Still got a lot of work to do. We still gotta mount up the intercooler and run all the wiring. Well, not run it, just plug it in. But yeah, can't drive this thing, so maybe once it's done, we'll do a video of Adam driving around, and we'll see how she goes, see how she sounds. You know, it's gonna sound fire. I don't know.
Better.
Curbsky noises, maybe. I don't know.
You don't have an exhaust.
Yeah, that's sick though, right?
Yeah.
run this in to the cabin. Man, there's so much harness.
Cut it.
Cooked. Going fishing. Yeah, maybe we just cut it all apart. Make it easier to like get it in there.
Yeah. Just cut it in like 6-inch sections
Yeah.
and feed them through.
Okay, well, that. This sits here. This goes. Yeah. Well, the brake lines did get pretty cocked.
It's alright though.
Wow, wow, wee, wow.
Wow. Work it. Hand on the caboose. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's gotta be a winner in there somewhere.
Somewhere, hopefully, I don't know, pretty ugly, so we'll see.
Yeah.
Okay. Hang on for a sec. I think that coolant hose is leaking too.
Like I just burped in the studio, man.
Almost, but
No f***ing respect. I was just putting on the, holding up the engine mounts. So we're gonna do, put in the drive shaft, do the trans cross member. Maybe bolt on the slave. And yeah. Groovy.
alright, the SR's in. We're taking a little break.
Yeah. While we're at it, we might as well show you some of the merchandise that's coming up in this new drop. We still got some gloves left, and we got the new air fresheners, the high chew air fresheners. Look at that. They smell like green apple high chews. Just awesome. Then we got the new Styles Not a Crime air freshener, Black Ice. And we still have some of the Marlboro pack and the small wheels ones. Still got some plate frames, and then we got pop sockets. Look at that. Longchamp pop sockets. Mesh pop sockets. And last but not least, Mark II pop sockets. Pretty fire. Then we got a restock on these flags, the Small Wheels Forever flags, both small and big restocked. Remember guys, these flags go quick, so you want to be on it. Small Wheels Forever.
Show them the new ones, man. Look at that.
They're here. Then we got the new one.
This HKS style.
This is fire.
Little background.
These are the small size that you like put in your room and stuff. And then we have the full shop size. HKS style one. Then we have Noah's S13 on one. Fire.
Nice.
We got a restock on the Marlboro pack ones. Vertical one.
Yeah, don't mind how the office looks right now. We're in the midst of organizing everything for the drop.
God.
We got this new light box here.
Fire picks. We got lots of new vinyls, new masks.
Masks. You know, stay safe from the COVIDs.
Yeah,
We got
out there.
brake booster socks. And we're doing a new style of shift knob, bubble shift knob. So those are coming.
Also put in your bubble if you want.
We got oil caps and horn buttons coming.
They're on the way. That's what we're waiting for. That's why this drop is taking so long. And then we have a restock on the tinted mirror visors. Restock on those. And we got some fire clothing, as per usual. You already know.
We brought back, I don't know if any of you remember, the Marlboro Racing style design.
Fuck, these hoodies are soft. There's the front. So black hoodies and then white and black t-shirts. Here's the other design. A white t-shirt.
Style is not a crime.
Yeah, and your shirts aren't just chucked around like this. These are just the ones we're using to take pictures of. Style is not a crime. The front can fire, literally. Oh.
Yeah, so we're waiting on oil caps, horn buttons, and then all the clothing, all the flags need to get organized. All the shift knobs need to get organized.
A couple hats left.
Yes. We're also fully like redesigning the site, so it's gonna look completely different this drop.
Oh, that's exciting.
Doing big things, man.
Big things, fam. You already know what the fuck going on. But these intercoolers are in the way.
Take these out now that there's room in the garage.
Heavily in the way. Yeah, lots of vinyls. It's gonna be fire. What a coincidence, eh?
Stay tuned. Probably dropping next weekend, whatever day that
Yeah.
is. What's that day? Saturday? Next week.
Probably around 7th. Let's call it.
7th?
Yeah.
Yeah, and Adam and I'll try really hard to get everything
6th,
packed
5th.
as soon as we can, so there'll be a good chance it arrives for Christmas. Don't quote us on that.
Yeah, don't quote us because, especially around Christmas, Post has been fucked because of COVID. They're blowing it. Especially at Christmas, they're always blowing it, so it's probably going to be extra blown, so yeah, don't quote us on that. Especially if you're in Australia, you might be waiting 3 months, or New Zealand. That's just how it be, because you guys, and that's mainly your guys' duties, where everything that comes in there, for some reason, sits in duties for like a month.
But yeah, we'll get everything organized and out as fast as we can after we drop. And yeah, that's the new drop.
Yeah, and if you want some of this shit for free, remember, we're doing a giveaway on our Instagram, moistboys_. Find the post, like, and follow, tag your friend. You might win a bunch of shit for free.
Yeah, no doubt.
Might do a monthly giveaway too on the Instagram, so definitely want to follow the Instagram.
We forgot about some things here.
Forgot about some things. We have our 3D printed 240SX cup holders.
S13.
S13 version 1. We're probably going to do an S14 one soon and maybe a right-hand drive one. But yeah, so here's kind of our parts company, Bad Boys Parts. We're starting, so all our parts will be under Bad Boys, not Moist Boys. And yeah, so these are just 3D printed. They slide right in. We'll have a strip of 3M tape in here so it stays in. And yeah, these are pretty dank. We both have them in our cars.
For now, everything from this company will be available on the Moist Boys website.
Yeah. So yeah, these first 3D printed cup holders, if they sell well, we'll get them injection molded so they look factory. And then yeah, so we have quite a few of those. We can make more. And then also our rust repair, strut tower rust repair kits. Yeah, so here's the pair. These won't come to you in raw steel because they'll likely rust because it's raw. So these will be nicely sprayed in weld through primer so they're ready to go. And yeah, these will be up on the site too. Definitely want to get some of these if you have rusty strut towers.
We're also selling, if you have a Sylvia and you have a crusty looking grill, we will have brand new in-box OEM small letter Sylvia grills.
Jinx. But yeah, those are sick. We'll be selling those too. And many more products to come that we'll be developing and selling through Bad Boys. So if you have any ideas for products you think we should make for S13s, anything you think is always broken that we can reproduce like an OEM part, or anything that you wish S13s had, let us know in the comments.
Look at that. It's in.
It's in.
We did it, man.
We did it.
Nothing else is hooked up. The transmission is being held up by a jack right now. And
That's what we want.
but yeah, it's in.
It's in.
It's fire, dude.
It's fire.
Stay tuned for connecting everything, doing the intercooler. First start, see how it goes.
First drive.
Yeah, first drive.
Comment.
Comment
What
your
are they?
favorite. Comment if you entered the giveaway or not, and if you didn't, why didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like the video, please. Subscribe. It helps a lot. Trying to hit 10 million K. It's slow, but we're going to get there. So you definitely want to be one of those 10 million K.
No doubt.
And yeah, stay tuned for more content because we got a lot of shit. We actually have a lot of stuff coming.
Yeah.
So
Lots and lots, bro.
not going to want to miss it. Colby's going to get a new car. Going to do mods to both the S13s. So
Yeah, mod it up, dude.
yeah, stay
Right on.
tuned. And start saving your money for the drop.
Yeah, save up your loonies and tunes. It's coming.
It's coming soon.
Next weekend.
Soon. Really soon. Next weekend?
Next
so
weekend.
soon.
Next weekend.
It's gonna be even sooner for them.
Got finals and websites to do, but it's fine.
So far.
So far. All right. Shalom.
Anyway, yeah.
Goodbye.
See you later.